on! Get yourself a geologist loop. It is totally worth it.
Howdy, howdy, rockhounds. Today we're going to do a little rockhounding 101. Essential tools you might be missing. Look at that. I can't wait. Let's go. Rock on.
First up is a backpack. I highly recommend this over plastic bags alone because you can hold all of your tools in one convenient spot. But I love this because it has so many compartments. Of course, no Rockhound kit is complete without a rock pick hammer. Yeah, check this out. This is an awesome brand, by the way. See it? See it? Yeah, this is about a 22-ounce one. This one is not the biggest, not the smallest, but it's good for me. I'm not a big person, so I didn't need a big beefy one or a super teeny tiny one. Hit with that side, pry with that one. Hey now. Oh, I might bust this. I better stop that. Next is the squirt bottle. Absolute game changer. You gotta have one of these. Got a small one in here too. See that? So yeah, get these wet and you can see the true potential of rock. Look at that. Yep, gotta have it. Next we have a mesh bag. These beach mesh bags are awesome. I learned about them from Aga Ariel. Check out her channel. It is freaking awesome. So anyway, these beach bags, I wear them all the time. Take them with me, I should say. And dirt and sand just fall right through there, and they hold a lot. You'd be surprised. This looks small, but it holds a lot. We have knee pads. If you're like me and you like to get on the ground so you can just really inspect those rocks, these will save your knees. Okay, they're not the most beautiful fashion statement by any stretch, but they work. Besides, when you get to be my age, you really don't care what people think. Yeah, I don't know. You think I should go to like Walmart and Costco like this? Woo! I'm going rockhounding. Yeah, okay. Well, they work. All right, next up, I recommend sun gloves. I wish that I had worn these. I don't even know if they existed when I was younger, because I've done a number on my hands, but it is what it is. So I'm fair-skinned, and I need all the help I can get. These are breathable. They clean really well. And look at that. It's not like super obvious. They're kind of stylish, actually. You can still inspect rocks and not get fried. Hey, you younger people, get them. All right, next in our kit, we have a... Wait a minute. What the heck is this? Subscribe? Oh, hey, while you're at it, if you happen to like this content, why don't you hit subscribe? Thanks. Really helps out my channel. Rock on. Thank you. And a hat. Check this one out. This is the hat. It's got a cord. It's got a really super fashion savvy flap in the back. I mean, come on. What rockhound wouldn't want that? That's a fashion statement, don't you think? I mean, that just says old fart. No, okay, just kidding. Anyway, this is a great hat. I don't care what anybody says, what it looks like. It's all about sun protection. Hey, howdy, partner. And sunscreen. Yeah, this is my brand. Anyway, whatever you like. Sunscreen! Layered clothing, light jacket, heavy jacket, whatever you need. That's what I bring because I'm in California. So bring whatever coat works for you. I also wear layers, like this thin shirt. So anyway, layered clothing. Safety first, rockhounds. Have yourself a vest. At least have it in your bag if you're not going to wear it. That way when you're out, near the road, and you're in a low light situation, people can see you. Not only do you need to be seen, you need to be heard. So, I highly recommend a whistle. Yeah, look at that. El Cheapo, dollar store. And an emergency blanket. Remember these from school when you had to have like a emergency kit? If you have enough room in your car, I definitely recommend a folding chair. You just never know when you want to set your butt down and have a drink, eat, snack, and you can never have enough bags. The beach bag is good, but you want lots of bags to put rocks in. Always bring more than you need because you're always going to find more rocks than you think. Right? We know. Our pockets only hold so much. Another good tool to have is a bucket. The bigger the better. As you can see, mine's being used right now, but you can throw it in the back of the car or the truck. Food and water. Bottled water. protein, and I like to bring nuts, and these bags are awesome, by the way. Oh my gosh. I'll have them linked in my description. I just noticed my chocolate melted. Okay, food and water. Got just a few more tools. I'm starting to lose daylight. I'm out here trying to beat the heat. Now the daylight's gone. Ah! Okay, anyway, here's some tools. We got a brush, scrub dirt away from rocks, cutting for all kinds of purposes. We got some little chisels and a magnet if you're gonna hunt for magnetite or something like that. Trowels, I usually just bring one, but here's a couple, you know. I got this one at the dollar store. I highly recommend a good pair of gloves to get out there in the dirt and the rocks and use your rock pick hammer. Rock on! I highly recommend a geologist loop. Check this out. This one's 10 times magnification, and they are so cool to have. El Cheapo too. Watch this. This is a brecciated jasper, gas agate, whatever you want to call it. Gotta get it wet, of course. That's my squirt bottle. Hold it up to your cell phone and then go in. Oop. Sorry, it's a little tricky. Look at that. Okay, now let's look at it with the naked eye, so to speak. You can see it. It's pretty darn cool. Gotta get my phone there. That's neat. Okay, now let's do this. Oh, it's even better. Oh my gosh, that is, wow. I love this. What a clever trick. Look at that. You can just get lost in there. Look at that banding. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, so get yourself a geologist loop. It is totally worth it. I mean, you just want to be able to see the detail, right? Yeah, cool. I hope this helps. I put everything out like this so that you can see what I was talking about all together instead of just one by one. I picked this stuff up over the last couple of years. Dollar store for some of it and Amazon for others. Lowe's, as you can see, for the bucket and things like that. You know, I did forget to mention that at the dollar store you can get these El Cheapo knives, and they're really good for prying. So if you don't want to buy like a rock pick hammer or something, and you don't want to damage your knives, your utensils in your house, forgot to mention these too. These are cheap. You can get these at dollar store too. Excuse me, the $1.25 store. So yeah, pick up a lot of this stuff dirt cheap. No, none of this has to be expensive. Just shop around, get what you want, cater it to what you're going to rockhound for and where. If you're gonna go in the desert, you're gonna need different things, more water, more squirt bottles. If you're gonna go to the beach, you probably just need, you know, beach bag, trowel, and some food and snacks. If you're gonna go up in the mountains, you probably need a lot more clothing. Okay, here's a list of all of the items that I have in my kit. You can cross off things you don't want, add things you do want. You might want to take a screenshot of this so that you can build your rockhounding essential toolkit. If you're interested in buying any of these items, I will have a link in the description with my Amazon store, and many of these products will be in there. Rock on!